Hair loss from plucking your hair out. Let's talk about it. It's two categories. One is intentional plucking, like people who pluck their eyebrows, and that could be permanent because as they pluck them too much, and sometimes over time the whole follicle comes out and it never grows back. That's the most common cause of women losing hair and requiring a hair transplant procedure for eyebrows. But the second condition, which is kind of more unknown to many people, is a condition called trichotillomania, which is a person who is playing with the hair out of a nervous habit, start pulling hair without even knowing it. In many cases, they don't even know that, and other people, family members usually catch that or catch them doing it. So that's called trichotillomania, and people present themselves with a patch of hair loss in beard or in scalp. Unfortunately, if they continue to do that in a long term, it could be permanent, but most of the time, if it's caught early and person can go through psychotherapy and be calmer and try not to do something to pull hair, they could recover hair and they don't need any hair transplant.